Hello dear students, today we will discuss about two identical questions on operation of matrix, and today's questions are: if there are two matrices like matrix A and matrix B, and matrix A is of order m by p, matrix B is of order p by n, then the order of matrix A into B is dash. And the second question is: the product of a column vector of order n and the row vector of order n gives us what type of matrix? So these two questions are related to the operation of matrix. And coming to the operation of matrix, we have basically four common operations of matrix. One is matrix addition, second one is matrix subtraction, third one is matrix multiplication, and fourth one is matrix division. So we will discuss about the operation called matrix multiplication, because the questions are related to this type of operation. So coming to matrix multiplication, we have two types of matrix multiplication. One is scalar multiplication, another is matrix multiplication or general multiplication. So I'll not go to a scalar multiplication because the questions are again related to the matrix multiplication concept. Okay. So what is matrix multiplication? One of the important rule regarding the matrix multiplication is: matrix multiplication is possible if and only if the number of columns in the first matrix equals to the number of rows in the second matrix. Suppose we have two matrices like matrix A and matrix B. So A and B can be easily multiplied if and only if the columns in the first matrix, that is A, the number of columns in the, you all have to write this point because this is very much important regarding matrix multiplication. So if A and B are two matrices, then A and B can be easily multiplied if and only if the number of columns in the first matrix, that is matrix A, is equals to the number of rows in the second matrix, that is matrix B. For example, you all can see here I have taken two examples or two matrices, you can say matrix A and matrix B. Okay, so in matrix A, you all can see this is the order of matrix A and this is the order of matrix B. So matrix A is of order 2 by 3 and matrix B is of order 3 by 2. That means in matrix A we have 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns, and in matrix B we have 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. Okay, so what is the rule? So A and B can be multiplied if and only if the number of columns in the first matrix is equals to the number of rows in the second matrix. So you all can see here the number of columns in the first matrix is 3 and the number of rows in the second matrix is 3. That means these are equal. So we can say A and B can be easily multiplied. And another thing you must have remembered that the new matrix, so after multiplying matrix A and matrix B, we can get the new matrix, that is A into B matrix. Okay, A into B matrix. So then what will be the the order of the new matrix? What will be the order of the new matrix, that is A cross B or A into B? So the order of new matrix will be, the order of the new matrix A into B will be the number of rows in the first matrix. So you all can see here the number of rows in the first matrix, that is 2. Okay, into the number of columns in the second matrix. So number of columns in the second matrix is 2. So the new matrix we will get of order 2 by 2. Okay, so the new matrix, that is A into B, will be of order 2 by 2. Okay, so let's discuss about the matrix multiplication. Okay, so here I'll write A into B and you all can write it as A into B of order 2 by 2. Okay, so how to multiply A and B? So we have to multiply the first row of first matrix with the first column of the second matrix. Okay, so this is the first row of first matrix and this is the first column of the second matrix. Then we have to multiply the first row of the first matrix with the second column of the second matrix. So here this is the first row of first matrix and this is the second column of the second matrix. Similarly, we have to multiply the second row of first matrix, that is 3 5 6, with the first column of the second matrix, that is 1 3 5. Again we have to multiply the second row of first matrix, that is 3 5 6, with the second column of the second matrix, that is 2 4 6. Okay, so this is the second step. And thirdly, what we have to do, we have to again multiply the individual numbers of rows and columns. Okay, so we have to multiply first 1 into 1, this is the result, then 2 into 3, this is the result, and then 4 into 5, this is the result. Similarly, we have to do 1 into 2, 2 into 4, and 4 into 6, so this is the result. Again here we have to do 3 into 1, 5 into 3, 6 into 5, so you all can see here. And similarly 3 into 2, 5 into 4, and 6 into 6, that is, this is the result. Okay, then just multiply it. So 1 into 1 1, 2 into 3 6, 4 into 5 20. Okay, so again 1 into 2 2, 2 into 4 8, 4 into 6 24. Okay, similarly you all can do like 3 plus 15 plus 30. Okay, then 6 plus 20 plus 36. So now you all can add the numbers. So 1 plus 6 plus 20 equals to 27, then 34, 48, and 62. So here this is the A cross B matrix, and we all can see here there are basically 4 entries in the matrix, new matrix. So we have 2 rows, okay, and 2 columns. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so A into B is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now come to our first questions. What is your first question? So if A is a matrix, okay, so I am writing here, if A is a matrix of order M by P, okay, and B is of another matrix of order P by N. Okay, so there are 2 matrices as per the question, A and B. A is of order M by P and B is of order P by N. So here A and B is possible. Why it is possible? Because I have already told, if the number of columns of first matrix is equals to the number of rows of second matrix are identical or equal, then we can say the matrix multiplication is possible. Okay, so here you all can see that the column of first matrix is P and the row of second matrix is P. So these are equal, that means A and B multiplication is, the multiplication of matrix A and B is possible. Okay, then what will be the question arises, what will be the order of new matrix, that is A into B. So here I want to say that I have already discussed that the order of new matrix will be the number of rows in the first matrix, that is M, and the number of columns in the second matrix, that is N. Okay, so the new matrix will be of order M by N. So here you all can see the option, that is M by P, P by P, N by M, then M by N. So the answer is M by N. So D is the answer. Answer is M by N. Okay, so the answer is D or M by N. Okay, so hope you got the answer of question number 36. Now come to question number 37. Okay, so here the question is given, the product of a column vector of order n and a row vector of order n gives us what type of matrix. Okay, So in previous class I discussed about different types of matrix, what is column vector, what is row vector. Okay, so column vector means suppose I'll write that A is a column vector. So column vector means there will be only one column and any number of rows. Okay, so the product of a vector, column vector, suppose I'll write a matrix like A is a column vector of order n. So that means there will be only one column. So I'll write the order of A is n by 1, because 1 is the number of column and n is the number of rows. And another matrix that is like B. So B is, let's write that B is a row vector. Okay, row vector of order n. So what is a row vector? When there is only one number of rows and any number of columns. So only one number of row, that means 1, and it is given that n number of column. Okay, so that means A is a matrix of order n by 1, and B is a matrix of order 1 by n. So here we all can see that AB or matrix multiplication is possible, because you all can see here the number of columns in the first matrix is exactly equals to the number of rows in the second matrix. Okay, and the new matrix that will be AB, that will be of order n by n, because this is the number of rows in the first matrix and this is the number of columns in the second matrix. So the new matrix will be of order n by n. Okay, so if the number of rows in the matrix is equal to the number of columns in the matrix are equal, or you can say the number of rows in the matrix is equal to the number of columns in the matrix, then that type of matrix is called a square matrix. So here we can see that number of rows equals to number of column equals to n. So this will be a square matrix. Square matrix of what? Square matrix of order n by n. So here the options are given like a row matrix of order n. No, this is not the answer. The column matrix of order n. This is not the answer. And a square matrix of order n. Yes. An identity matrix of order n. So this is not the answer. So answer is your option C. Okay. So answer is C. So we can get a matrix, square matrix of order n by n. So this is the answer. So dear students, hope you all understood the questions. So these are some questions related to matrix. So thank you everyone for your patience. Thank you.